Today we are going to be doing... Well, let's just roll it. What's going on, everybody? Jeremy back again with Remy Q Studios, and guess what? I'd love to welcome you to my studio. I gotta tell you, I know last time we did that and it was a lot of fun. This time, even better. I would like to thank Mr. Allen Maye. I have been going to his channel, checking out the videos, and he said that he had a couple of mystery boxes that he was selling, and I actually had checked out his Instagram account, and he did have a couple that were listed there, and I said, hey, are these still available? And I'll tell you, maybe within the next like 30 or 40 minutes, DJ Linx did an unboxing for Allen Maye, and of course that opened the floodgates, and then everybody was snagging up boxes, and I was like, oh shoot. So it was crappy, because even though I contacted him way before this, then I had to jump on it, or else I was gonna miss, because again, everybody started flooding in to get the mystery boxes. So I hope that you enjoy the chainsaw unboxing. This one we got really lucky on. If you can see, there's a little bit of like tattered plastic here. I did snag that just a little bit, but it doesn't seem, it didn't cut into it. I tried to be careful like I did last time, but again, I definitely, you got to get it in there close to be able to extract it. It's kind of like the rule. I want to be able to extract it from the box itself. Aside from the clippings that we have, there's a lot of like little cardboard shavings. If you've used a chainsaw before, there's grease and there's an oil that's on the chain itself, and you know, if you're cutting down a tree, you don't really notice it because it just absorbs into the wood. But when you're cutting a box, and when you're cutting something you're not supposed to, if you get a chance, go check him out. I love his videos. He seems like a really mellow guy. I just want to hang out with him. I think in a lot of the comments, you know, I say super friends unite. At one point I was just like, you know what? This is an awesome guy. Some people just draw you in. Others, you just get that feeling. It's like, you know, like, again, somebody you can hang out with. That's how I feel about Allen Maye. I feel like I could just hang out with the guy, have a beer, relax, talk some comics. And those are the channels that I enjoy. So, let's see what we have here. Alright. Okay, I don't think these are in any particular order. This is a big stack of books. So for the first one, welcome to the moon, by the way. Welcome back to the moon, at least. It seems like everybody enjoys the backdrop when I'm on the moon, so we are back on the moon. First book on deck. Nice! Marvel presents Guardians of the Galaxy, number 3. This is great. Featuring the power of Starhawk. Yes! Wow. That's fantastic there. Look at that. Alright, let me clear my crap here. Next one is... Sweet! We have Venom Lethal Protector number 4. I have gotten 2 of the number 1s in slabs and gave them out as A-OKs. I currently don't have any of these, so... Not that I'm not interested in it, just... Very cool. Next up. Oh, nice. Fantastic Four 188. 1977. Look at this. This is great. Molecule Man has taken possession of Reed's body. Wow. Look at that. Sweet. Alright. Next up. Oh, this one's upside down, but we got Here Comes Daredevil, Man Without Fear number 16, Marvel Knights. Well, that's pretty sweet. Oh, look at that. You know, I actually had a lot of Daredevil growing up. You know, like the first Typhoid Mary and some of those. And I've been trying to collect them back. I think the originals might be at my mom's, but I know they're very beat up, torn up. So I have been trying to think back on some of the different issues and comics and stuff that I had as a kid. Since DJ Linx sent me the that slab, the DC slab, I've been trying to like collect all these books from my childhood now. So it's funny how somebody's collection changes. You know, everyone collects differently, and that's one of those things where it's like now I'm starting to pick up some of these old books. So next one on deck. So sorry about that. Oh, fantastic. Awesome. This is sweet. I remember when Bane, when this came out, okay, this was like the early 90s. we would draw this guy, Bane, and actually Lobo too. Like Lobo had a lot of really cool, just like, you know, really muscly pictures. But as far as the DC characters, I mean, that was kind of your guy to go to. And I remember when he was in the movie, horrible disappointment. But anyways, that is a classic book. Very excited about that. I do not have that either. Next up, man, we are hitting on all cylinders here. I don't have this either. Avengers 194. Wow. Alright. Next one is a big stack of books here. Ready? We got Daredevil 322, Fall from Grace. This is pretty sweet. Actually, in really good condition too. And usually these white covers where you get a lot of like rub. This one looks great. Next up. Awesome. Yes, X-Force number 3. Look at that, the Juggernaut. Come on now. This is sweet. I love that. I don't have that either. The Juggernaut, yes. Alright, sorry, some of these they're boarded upside down, so it's messing me up. Alright. Daredevil Yellow. Oh, cool. Book 1. Sweet. Okay, yeah. This is another one I haven't ever had to check out or gotten to check it out. I'm glad that it's book 1, though. That certainly helps. Next one up. Daredevil Yellow, and this is book 2. There you go. Alright. Getting a run. I like it. I like when that happens. Pretty cool. Alright, next one up. Hey, this one's really shiny. This is Superman Back for Good. Reign of Superman. Number 82. Oh, wow, okay. Nice. I actually remember this. I think I remember this. Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is when he came back after he died, and then he came back and they had all the different forms of him, and this just screams 90s right here. Look at that shiny goodness there. Alright, next one up. We have X Factor number 61. This is pretty cool. Wolverine Lies Dying. And Cable. Wow, okay. It's pretty sweet. And next one up. This is Captain America 362. Love Captain America. Don't have this issue. The Bloodstone Hunt. Well, that's kind of cool. Alright. Excited for that one. Next one. This is the Punisher Euro Hit. Okay. That's pretty cool too. Again, don't have that one either. Wow. Nice when you get a good mix and you don't have a lot of them. That's what I'm trying to say. Alright, and next one is X Factor Special, Prisoner of Love. Well, this is pretty sweet. Daggone. Okay. Yeah, this is a square bound here. Look at that. Wow. That is something else. Yeah, I'll have to check that out. That's a sweet one, though. Alright, and the very last one, and this one actually has a note. It says, we only found them when they're dead. Number 3, Ratio Incentive. and I have no idea. But I'm excited. Alright, so that is the haul. Looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 books, 16 plus books. I really enjoyed it, actually. I'll tell you, I'm going to have to grab another because I'm really excited about this. Allen Maye, you did a good job, sir, with that mystery box. I was really excited to get that, and I was even more excited to do the chainsaw unboxing. So hopefully we'll get to do some more of that. This has run a bit longer than what I wanted. But please, if you like what you saw, make sure to hit like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to get notifications when we have more videos drop. And again, I love you all. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time.